Bodega Boys.
That's right. Yo, y'all doubted the God. Y'all doubted hope for the God. Yo, I heard niggas said they made hope. So, okay, make another hope. I'm over here making deals with the NFL. You niggas doubted me. But guess what? I got cap and workout with all 58 NFL teams. I'm not even sure if that's an accurate figure, but I make it happen because I'm hope for the God. I would also take this opportunity to announce we're releasing Rockefeller Plus. It has the full Rockefeller discography of every album that I shelved. Because I promised niggas albums from Marcy that didn't deserve them. Yo, if you want every Rangers album ever, you know what I'm saying? That means one. You know what I'm saying? Sign up for Rockefeller Plus. It's the shit right now. It's right. There's no Beyonce on there. She's tight at me. You know what I'm saying? But yo, if you want to listen to a mill, you know what I'm saying? Major coins, you feel me? It's right. It's right there. Rockefeller Plus. 10 million subscribers off rip. You know what I'm saying? My entire staff is from Norway. Yo, it's the Bodega Boys, #1 podcast in America. That's right. Yo, Hasan released the flutes on it, baby. That's right. Yo, episode 170 motherfucking 9, nigga. I think. That's right. It's correct. This is correcting me. I appreciate him greatly. You know what I'm saying? So I'm out of here. I got things to do. I'm on a natural journey. Peace, niggas. Matter of fact, I'm gonna give you a free one. Do the drop.
Hey.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Episode 179 of Bodega Boys.
179, which is the street that if you want to beat traffic and get into Jersey quicker, you turn on to 179th and approach from there.
Thank you.
Just a quick traffic tip.
Mero just starting a podcast with a Metro report for New Jersey. Because that's what the demo wants.
Port Authority.
For everyone out there just listen to this podcast, like, how can I get to Jersey faster? Mero just helped you. So,
you're welcome.
You're welcome. You know what it is? Time to start the Pinot counter. Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
To keep us from going into the Pinot world where it's nasty and wet and moist. As always, we're sponsored by Cash App. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. Also, Narcan. Carry it around. If you see someone sleeping, just put it under their nose. Yeah. Did you know that if you give someone Narcan and they're not high, like the worst they can get is like a headache, they can't die?
Yeah.
So just carry it around.
Narcan is just basically like this. If you know what I'm saying, if you're not enough. You know what I'm saying? Just
That's true.
It's like,
That's
yo,
true.
what?
Kind of not how it works, but yes.
It's lit.
Yes.
Yo, we lit now.
So,
You know what I'm saying?
should they have public Narcan dispensers? They should have public Narcan and lactate pills dispensers. Yes.
Lactate for sure.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That's a very overlooked community right there. It's a lactose intolerant community. We will not stand for this.
We won't.
You know what I'm saying?
We won't stand for much because like we get cramps. It's
Like,
be on the toilet.
shit,
Like,
bro. Like, yo, you made me get up to get the door. Now I got bubble guts.
Listen.
I thought about ice cream, nigga, and I shit my pants. It's just terrible.
Listen, to quote the illustrious Wu-Tang Clan, life as a shorty shouldn't be so rough.
Yo.
You know?
Ironically, that song is named Cream. Which I cannot even drink. Oh, no.
We have to make a Wu-Tang album for lactose intolerant people. Yo,
light cream. Lactose-free cream.
Yo, who's the one around me? Please get the money.
Dollar bill, yo. It's not the same. It's not the same.
It loses some of its intensity. So that happened this week. We don't know what happened because we don't watch the news. We don't give a shit about that.
Yeah, fuck that. We in our bubbles.
That's right.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck the world. No, we used to talk about the world in this podcast. Now we don't because the world's boring now.
Yeah, the world's bad boring.
What do you want to hear? You want to hear us talk about Trump's impeachment and how the world's going to end in 6 years?
Yo, blase blah. That's boring.
Also, it makes me sad that the world's going to end soon because, damn, I wasted all this time collecting sneakers.
You know what I'm saying?
Well, I have to go live in the hills because the water level rose. I can't bring the sneakers.
Why does the world have to end right when we're about to be like rich? You know what I'm saying?
You know what? That's kind of funny though. Like
That's
when we die, God's gonna be like, got him.
It's like a black comedy.
Yeah. Black like dark or black like black?
Like both.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Wow.
Wow.
Look. Okay.
Bang.
Triple entendre. Don't even ask him how.
That's right. Rockefeller Plus. You can get that there too. You know what I'm saying?
Rockefeller Plus. Can I get unreleased Neef Buck?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes, you can.
Somewhere he was like, "Oh shit!
Oh shit! What?
Let me get back in the studio."
Yo! Nigga, put the pantyhose back on the fucking wire hanger in front of the mic.
Listen, Rockefeller has Samantha Ronson.
Oh wow! Okay.
Uncle Murder.
Didn't they sign
Young Chris, Young
Lindsay
Guns, Young
Lohan?
Steph? Was it Lindsay Lohan?
No,
Was she signed?
Paris Hilton. Who signed? Was it Young Money?
I think maybe.
It was Young Money. Yeah, shout to Z-Way on the assist. Young Money, he signed motherfucker.
Do you remember Rockefeller signed Aztec?
Yo!
Listen.
When they were doing the Rock Latino shit?
Oh man.
They blew that one. I was like, yo, y'all could have ridden that reggaeton wave hard.
Listen, a lot of people didn't know how to get onto the reggaeton wave. Remember MTV made MTV3?
Yeah.
MTV Trends, and everyone was like, yo, shit, we got a reggaeton channel. And then it was like, wow, there's only 7 reggaeton videos.
And it's just on Daddy Yankee riding a razor scooter.
Come back for the 24 hours Daddy Yankee marathon.
Riding a razor scooter wearing an Echo jumpsuit.
Jeez. MTV3. How come they never made MTV Dem? How come we never had the reggae MTV
you know
channel?
The dance hall joint. MTV Man Dem.
Man Dem.
You know what I'm saying?
Or MTV Mantis Marv Dem. The Grime channel.
MTV Big Tune.
MTV Bean for grime rap. Catch him in. We want to shag, make a market.
Yeah. Whoa.
Do we need an international problematic light? Because when you go to Europe, the police cars and stuff have different sirens.
Yeah.
So we need a metric problematic light.
Oh shit.
So
I'm trying to remember what they sound goofy though. Like NYPD, like it kind of strikes fear in your heart. I don't know if it's conditioning.
Right.
But every time I watch like a Jason Bourne movie or some shit, and he's like in like Moscow, the
Imagine
cops
me
pull
and
up in
you-
like little tiny cars, like
imagine me and you were chilling on the block, and then we hear this.
I'm like, yo,
Your
Mr. Son,
car battery dying.
yo, son,
Your car battery dying.
yo, whose Civic is that?
Yo, who's that, Mr. Bean? Fuck out of
Yo,
here.
what the fuck, nigga? Yo,
Why your
what the
horn
fuck?
sound like a dying goose? Get out of here,
Yo,
man.
who the fuck is this?
This is whack.
Yo, who's backing the expedition up?
Yeah. I guess French cops come out like, hey, put down that fucking croissant, my guy.
You committing a crime?
Oh, look at you. Oh,
Stupid American committing crimes.
is it the kid Mero and Desus again? What did I tell you? Are you not banned from the Eiffel Tower?
I should have known. Yeah, here's the cuffs. Put them on yourself.
We would arrest you, but we are taking a siesta.
Oh, that's true. Yes.
Yes.
Me and Jean-Paul and Francois are going to go.
We only work 2 hours a week, so
right.
we don't have to deal with you.
Right. We have a rotating towel in the bathroom.
I have a 4-year-old, but she gets money from the government, and I'm going to go home because I have free healthcare.
Yo,
That's right, Americans.
Yo.
Fuck Europe for their free healthcare. How dare they?
How dare they take care of their citizens?
Yes. As my father says, not having stuff builds character. So, listen.
We got mad characters, dog.
Listen.
We got more characters than fucking Marvel.
It's true.
Shit.
It's true. Nothing tells you how much you are as a person in New York or anywhere when you have no healthcare and you land wrong.
Oh, yeah.
And that split second on your ankle, you're just like, please don't be broken.
Yeah, please.
Please.
Just swallow.
Please.
Yeah,
Just
you can
like,
swallow up like the size of a grapefruit for a week. I don't care.
But then
just don't
you're
be
fine.
broken.
But then it didn't break, and you're like, I'm good. But you keep having that like mad times a day and shit. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man. You ain't gotta tell me.
Oh, you know you definitely have pneumonia because you're like coughing up blood. You're like, I could fix this with beer. You're like urgent care or dying.
Yo.
I was like,
I fucking came into the office with like, I think it was like first year MTV. I fucking shredded my foot. And I was coming into work.
yeah, I remember that. And you were walking around like a hobo with one flip flop and a sock.
And a fucking.
And you fit in with everyone in Times Square.
No, facts. I was like, yo, no, hospital. I was like, you got hospital money? I was like, peroxide and a paper towel, baby.
There you go.
And some tape.
Yeah, a little egg drop soup.
That's it.
You good to go. That's the hood remedy. Doctor, shit. Just give me some hot tea, and an ace bandage.
That's it. I'm good.
If that can't fix it, you're gonna die anyway.
Life is short.
Ace bandage is official hood medical equipment. You can use it for anything from a sprained ankle to childbirth.
Straight up. Just wrap it around your knuckles. You know what I'm saying? If you want a bare knuckle fight a fire hydrant because you want dust.
If you're on dust,
you know what I'm saying?
Or you can wrap yourself in it like a mummy for some wild sexual play.
Yeah. Ooh. Just use a little metal clasp to make a dick hole. Yeah.
Wow, man.
No peanut talk. No peanut talk.
We took a purity vow. We have purity rings now.
That's right. You see what I'm saying?
Straight up.
Look at the purity.
Purity ring.
Purity.
It means with no penal talk.
Yes.
How's everyone's Nut November going?
Yeah.
Everyone's still celebrating that? It is November 15th.
November 15th.
All
halfway
right.
there.
Halfway there.
You know what I'm saying?
You know, for those of y'all
that actually are not nutting. Sorry. I mean, no, not sorry. I stand with you in solidarity.
There you go.
No Nut November. Keep on keeping on.
We're the Colin Kaepernicks of No Nut November.
You know
We're not actually playing the game, but we recognize. We
support
what you're doing. You know what I'm saying?
We're amplifying your signal.
How come they don't have Mo Nut November? Where you nut more?
Yeah.
But I think we're getting close to penal talk. But think about it.
But I mean, it doesn't necessarily have to include penal. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, now you get into that weird rubbing on people on the train shit, and like nobody. We're not the Fraudage Boys.
No. I was thinking more like Spank Bank, but yeah, you know, I mean, also
Spank Bank is your personal Spank Bank?
like personal, you know, past sexual experiences.
I'm such an internet person. When you said Spank Bank, I thought about the actual website.
The
Spank
website?
Bank. Yeah, I was like, that is Pino. Oh God, that's made into a memory. What is that? That's like fucking taking out a 45.
That's made into a memory.
What are you playing an LP?
Is that a dashboard confessional signal, nigga?
Get the fuck out of here, Questlove. Like nobody wants to hear actual vinyl porn.
Yo, nigga,
I remember this sex from 2004.
I'm masturbating to a memory. Straight emo shit.
Even if your memories are in SD. Sad. You don't have a memory outside a venue that no longer exists in New York.
Like squinting to like.
Remember that time I got Toppy and Papayas on 8th Street?
Yo.
It doesn't exist anymore.
No, it's gone. It's gone.
Just make you mad sad and shit. You start thinking, you're like, oh yeah, remember I had to call her from a payphone.
Yeah.
Your brain's like, yo, these memories too old.
Yo, chill, you can't use this. Media cannot be played. Your brain was outdated.
Your brain forgot the codec. Oh,
Susio gang, nigga, I got the VLC mental player.
There you go. The fact that you know about VLC lets me know
Susio boy
you
for
a
real.
Susio boy. That means you watching foreign porn.
You know what I mean?
You watching porn in like quick time.
Yeah. And them AVI files,
Wow. She got no ID tracking or nothing. All the information is in the file name.
With mad underscores.
How are we talking about Pino when we're not talking about Pino?
We're talking around Pino.
My God. My God, the levels on this podcast. Actually, I'm gassed now because shout out to us. We're in time 100 next.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
That's right.
That means we got shout out to Victor that came through.
You know what I'm saying?
Because that means you get a pin, free burgers, and beer.
That's right. And you get to look at the president of Costa Rica. Shout
out to the president of Costa Rica who was in the house 212 with us yesterday.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying?
I was like, yo, bro, you got some of that.
Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
I know what the Costa Rica. I know. Listen.
Yo, so we got it for. So
I'm
now,
trying to coast, bro.
Yo, papi, listen. We got it for cheap. Yeah. You know what I'm saying?
So now that we're in the time 100 next.
That's right. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to everyone that's going to read the magazine and be confused. Like, who the hell are these guys?
Who are these guys?
Why do they have such big pictures in this?
Oh, my God.
Is he dating Aquafina? What is this? So, you know, shout out to Time Magazine recognizing the brand.
You know what I'm saying?
That's cool that they said we're 100 next because we're already like mad into our careers.
You know, for real. That's like, yo, that's like French Montana being on the cover of Freshman, Double XL Freshman. Like,
oh, my God.
Okay.
They're like, well, we can't wait to see what you do next. I was like, nigga, this is it.
This is what we're doing
This
next.
is it. It's just this for the next 20 years. Just me and Mero with hoop earrings on hovercrafts do a residency in Vegas. And the ghost of Victor just looking down on us like, yeah.
At the Bellagio.
Victor didn't die. Like, he just got so rich, he has his body transferred to a ghost.
Niggas like Zordon and shit. Like, yo.
Nah, you know what happened? I looked at the president of Costa Rica and I was like, you're here
and you don't have a
running?
military, I'll be right back.
Nigga did a soft coup.
Real soft. We're just gonna try it out. Okay.
Soft Coup sounds like a wild sex position.
Yo, I shorty with the soft coup. Nigga, what?
Yo,
Shorty was like,
we just don't see Victor anywhere. This is MSNBC, and people's like, Victor la libertad, Victor la libertad, Victor la libertad.
El Gran Victor.
This is show mad little kids with the wild afro and support.
I actually might do this because I've been feeding for an opportunity to dress up like El General.
Oh man,
You know.
Shit, general, dog. Una libra de cadena, de cadena.
he's using 90% of our GP, our gross national product on hair products. It's like the bitch gotta look good.
He's like, you just sitting up there watching a nigga look good.
Oh.
Yeah. Nigga dehydrate the whole fucking country because he's like using them for coconut farms.
They got rainforest. They'll be all right.
The rainforest.
Costa Rica's mad long too. I don't know if y'all niggas know. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, yo.
I don't know where you're getting these facts from. Do you get all your geography from Pornhub?
I'm wilding. I'm bugging. Is it Chile or Costa Rica that's like along
Chile.
Chile. Okay.
Right next to Argentina.
My fault. Yo, my fault. Costa Rica.
Apologize to Costa Rica.
Yo, apologize.
You don't smoke with Costa Rica.
Yo, nah. That's where the blessings come in. You know what I'm saying?
It's a different type.
Yeah. The uncut.
The uncut. And we ain't talking cacks.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to the Knicks. Won the NBA championship yesterday.
That's right.
By destroying.
Yeah, that reptilian scoundrel.
By destroying the Dallas Mavericks.
That's right.
Blowing them out by 1 point.
1 point. But the spread was 6.5, so the Knicks overperformed. You know what I'm saying? Salute. I'm watching the game like, yo, just don't lose by 7, y'all.
I want to go back to Desus versus Mero and tell Mero, this is who you're going to be. Just a gambling guy that gives out hints to get to Jersey faster. You are so fucking washed, my guy. You are Channel 9. You are WWOR.
WWOR TV, New York. Stay tuned.
Y'all don't know. Mero has a
Paramus
tramp stamp. He got a little too high off them Auntie Anne's, and you know what happens, bro.
I gotta go to State Plaza, tattooed across the belly and shit. 50 sale racks.
GSP.
Yeah.
Rep that gang.
You know what I'm saying? Nigga,
not GS9, GSP. Niggas dancing man around in Abercrombie.
Yo, with that rainbow hair and shit, like, yo, y'all niggas shoppers, I'm a shopper too, nigga.
Blicky with the raffle now. Leave a business card, I know it's hard. I'm like, sir, please get out this hot topic.
Sir, please, sir. You belong in here, but please leave.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good times.
Yo, man. Ain't we lucky we got.
You know what? The problem with life is life moves too fast and we don't appreciate things. So shout out to Future for not having a baby this week.
That's right.
Like,
you did not.
You guys don't stop and think about the small things like that. Like, he
made it through.
He came through.
He could have.
God's working on all of us.
There's absolutely. Future could have a baby every day if he wanted.
He could.
If you think about it.
He should.
You know what I'm saying?
Because people are just like, why does Future have so many babies? But think about it. We have so many futures. We already know the one that's with Sierra and Russell Wilson is not going to be Future.
Yeah, no.
He's going to pay his taxes.
Yeah.
The only drug he's ever probably going to do is maybe sugar.
Yo, maybe.
Okay.
So like, Dad, I got to tell you something, Dad.
What happened, son?
Yesterday, I'm sorry, Dad. I'm really sorry about this.
No, it's okay.
I don't want to get punished. I don't want to get in trouble, Dad.
I only punish you with hugs.
Okay. I was really needed to go to sleep because I had a test today, Dad. Remember?
Yeah.
I told you I had my geography, it's a big geography test.
Just come clean with it, little Future.
I drank some melatonin.
Oh, no.
To help me go to sleep.
Oh, God.
And I drank some tea.
Oh.
I mixed them together. I call it dirty sweat. I'm sorry, Dad. I'm sorry.
Oh dear, Sierra, call the rehab. You can't go to the rehab for melatonin.
Melatonin and chamomile.
I feel like they're not gonna. They're probably not gonna intake you.
No. They're gonna be like,
Here's my question: if when you're going to rehab, you're really hungry, will they stop and get you food? Does anyone know? Anyone here from rehab? No?
Rehab?
No, they won't.
damn, I'm happy
Wow,
towards
they won't get
broken.
you food. Dang. You got friends in rehab, they won't get you food.
won't get you
What if you, what if you starving?
Like, yo,
Give me a Big Mac before I go.
Fam, I
gotta go to fucking Phoenix for 4 months. Like,
fam, I got the shakes, nigga. Can I get a shake? And fries?
you know what? I feel like we're thinking like rational people and not people who need to be going to rehab. Like, I feel like if you're going to rehab, you're not like, yo, I'm hungry, bro. You're like, I'm hungry, bro. For drugs. For drugs.
My fucking veins are hungry, bro.
You're on the plane like, yo, pilot, I'll suck you off.
He's like,
Please remove the fasten seatbelt sign. This thing is coming up top to give me toppy.
Can't be getting toppy on the. Well,
what you got?
what about the? You know, when we were kids, we played a lot more more flying games than we do now.
Yeah.
I think the government was getting us ready for war.
That's what they were doing. They're training us, indoctrinating us.
Was that what all those Call of Duties were? Because like the new Call of
Exactly.
Duties, like it takes place in like the fictional future, and you're fighting like foxes
space
and shit.
aliens and like robot droid shit? Yeah,
We need them to take it back to like a real Call of Duty, and when it starts, it's not you fighting, but it's like, yo, you're returning home in a pickup truck,
Fam.
and like you get to your house, and there's another pickup truck there, and that's the training board, and you find out your wife been cheating on you, and like the next board is like you trying to get a good job, and then you dealing with like the post-traumatic stress disorder and shit.
Yeah, then you just like have a psychotic break and shit.
Yeah.
Like, yo, just like choke a nigga out at Target.
Yeah,
Like then you get arrested for assault. You know what I'm
yeah.
saying?
You say
Then
Trump made you do it.
Yeah.
Damn, this is not a good Call of Duty. This is not a good
Call of Duty real life.
Somehow little kids are still calling us the N-word online. Hey, you stole my wife, you N-word.
Yeah, you stole my wife, you N-word, you fucking, yeah. You don't even have the Camaro package.
Saving up my points for the Dodge Charger. Okay.
I got the new skin on my fucking SRT8. Yo, goddamn.
Is the election
Niggas-
over? Did someone win?
Yeah, I don't even.
Did Kamala win?
Yeah. Yo, just win, lady.
Did Kamala win?
Yo, just win, shawty.
Well, no, Elizabeth Warren. We know
Oh,
her.
yeah.
Now it's not even like, now it's just like, yo, which one of our friends is gonna get a job?
Yeah.
Like, I don't really care.
Yeah, yo, when they get it, congratulations.
Congrats. Send them the wild text like, yo, congrats on Prez.
Yo, you did that.
That's why.
yo, you did that.
I'll be like, yo, Bernie. It's also weird.
Imagine texting Bernie, yo, my nigga, you did that.
No, I do text him like that, but it's weird because he doesn't let you text him any C's. Everything gotta be B.
B's?
Yeah. I was like, wow. I was like, you be repping.
It's Big Bernie.
It's Big
I
Bernie.
write the 5, I told you.
Universal healthcare and Damus.
They call me Treetop Pyro Bernie. Something that the American people ignore constantly. Chris Brown is false flagging. He's not a real blood. I am a real blood OG.
When did Bernie Sanders become a blood? Was that picture of him with Martin Luther King?
They put him down.
Mark was a burner, my nigga.
Yeah. Oh,
Yo, we
what?
gotta get down with the file.
Yeah. Nigga, you already know. You know the vibes.
Put some work in, give him the wild box cutter. Oh.
Bernie Sanders chopped some nigga's face on the way to Selma. That's how he got down.
I don't want to do this, but it's basically socialism, so.
Fuck it. Ock 50.
Oh, Halloween just passed. Remember when that was 031 Day, International Blood Recruitment Day?
Yes.
How was it international? How this blood's in Australia? Like,
Fam, can I tell you?
I mean, I know there are, but I don't think they all picked one day.
Like, I don't. First of all, I can't see that level of organization happening within the Bloods, but also Australian Bloods.
They do have bloods in Australia.
That's what I'm saying. It's like
You know what it is? Like, it just
yo,
moves around. Someone just takes it with them and spreads it. But
It's like, oh, hey, a lot of things get
let's relax there. Let's relax there, my guy. I remember that. No, I actually know a blood from Australia. So
That's what I'm saying.
in line.
This was back in the GeoCities webpage days. And I literally went to, like, I was just like, curious kid. Like, yo, bloods.com.
Oh, yes, I used to be Bloods.com and Crips.com.
Yeah.
Used to be.
fully functional domains.
And people go on there and learn how to be Bloods, and then just create little blood sets. And I was like,
this shit ain't right.
I was like, Sam, you were in Catholic school last week. How are you a 5-star general of a blood gang? And the only members are your brothers and sisters. Like, that's not how it works.
Not at all. Not at all.
And I watch YouTube videos to learn the handshake. I was like, come on, bro.
Stop.
You don't know how to lock and load.
No, bro. That shit, oh man, those are the best. Like, if you just go on like YouTube and put like stacking.
Yeah. It's just like someone stacking for like 10 minutes.
Two little white kids like stacking for like 15 and a half minutes. Like, yeah. I'm like, yo, y'all scissoring with your hands? Like, what's going on? Yeah.
What is the male equivalent of scissoring? Is it
docking?
Is it docking?
I don't know. That doesn't create any
pole
friction.
dancing?
Pole dancing?
Log fighting?
Tummy sticks?
Lightsabering.
Lightsabering?
Yeah.
No, you just have boners and you just lay on top of each other.
When you roll your two Tootsie Rolls on each other. That's not Pino talk.
That's not Pino talk. It's not Pino talk.
I don't know what that is. That's just a Pino talk.
But it's not. It's
okay.
not. It does not contain any adult.
They were just being allies, just talking about ally stuff.
Yeah, just sex positivity.
Sex positivity. What's sex negativity? Is that like
being like, oh, ew, no, sex is disgusting. Yeah, you should never talk about sex. Oh, you talked about a sex act. You're disgusting.
Oh, I thought it was like, like you have a dick like Eeyore. It's like, oh gosh, I have to have sex again.
Do we have to get
This is sad.
I hate being erect.
Oh, shucks. About to nut.
Oh. Here it comes.
Watch out, Pooh. I'm going to get it in your honey. All right. Okay. All right. Eeyore the Depressed Dick will not be available on Disney Plus. I've just been informed. Apparently, it's problematic. But we just signed a 6-season deal for My Son's a Taco.
Yeah,
That's right. Mommy, there's a quesadilla at the door. I'm not just a quesadilla. I'm your father.
but you're soft shell and I'm hard shell.
I gotta tell you some things, boy. My Son's a Taco was filmed in front of a live studio audience in Taco Bell on 149th Street across from Lincoln Hospital. Be sure to run for the border. That was run for the border.
Yo,
Taco Bell, relax. What is even Taco Bell's motto now? Is it like eat this shit?
Live mas. Yo.
What is that? Like live a little?
Yo.
Live more?
I'm like, yo, dog, no.
When have you ever been at Taco Bell but like, you know what? Yes, I feel inspired.
Yes, I want to live more.
Only thing Taco Bell inspires you to do is like kill yourself.
Kill yourself and go to your crib and
Taco Bell will have you like, damn. So yeah, if I do jump in front of this train, like my problems go away.
Yeah.
All right.
Fuck it. Yo,
give me more of them crunch berries.
Yo. Them shits with the fucking.
Matter of fact, let me get the crunch berries, a McDouble, and a bucket of KFC because it's all in one place.
It really is. It's just disgusting. Yo.
When do we accept that? When do we accept that like 4 places gonna be and like
fuck it?
Like fam, I could see the guy that made the tacos. He just changed the gloves and now he's working in the KFC.
Fam, he didn't even change his fucking hat. Nice, and the nigga just made me wings. Now he's making me a pizza.
Also, he's the franchise owner, so he has a little bit of an attitude because he don't really need my money like that.
You can't tell Mr. Patel shit.
Mm-hmm.
He'll be like, yo,
get out.
Get the fuck out.
All right.
You know what I'm saying?
He's like, I live in a nice neighborhood. I live next door to Mero. I was like,
excuse me.
You get money.
Oh, you had a couple franchises. Okay, sir.
All right. Yeah, that dope.
Yo, yeah, nah, we failed as a society when we allowed motherfuckers to combine Pizza Hut and KFC.
Yeah.
I was
Are they that close? Like in the ingredients?
I mean, shit.
That
and they didn't even do it right. Like I'm like, yo, if you're gonna do it, like do some cool high shit. Like make mix like chicken skin pizza.
Yeah, and then they're like, no, they can't mix. Like just mix the shit. Make it one big.
Man, that's racist.
That's racist.
You know what I'm saying? Because pizza's Italian. You know what I'm saying?
And tacos
are Mexican.
Are you rewriting Green Book?
Yes.
Wow. It's a terrible movie.
It's just this one stuffed crust slice of pizza and a taco.
You know what? Me and you, we're not so different, you know?
Well, I come here across the border.
Oh, brother, this guy. That accent?
They call me Chalupa.
Wow. You get away with that. You just got to discuss that at whatever Latino meeting you guys deal with. I hope they hold you to the fire.
Yo, fam. No, the crazy shit is that they had like their whole campaign up until like the Live My shit was just wild. Like, yo, Mexican stereotypes. First it was the Chihuahua, remember? Yo quiero Taco Bell.
True. True.
Yo.
I just like to point out for the record. We're basically doing an NPR podcast about Taco Bell advertising. Why are we such scumbags if you know all this about Taco Bell? And I thought when the Chihuahua died, they grinded him up.
Yeah.
Yeah. So.
Yeah. I thought he retired and became Beverly Hills Chihuahua, but you know.
Apparently there's other Chihuahuas. Sad dog. Yeah. Him and Spuds McKenzie, two most powerful dogs ever in human history.
Yo, facts.
Spuds McKenzie was like, I'm a dog. Drink this beer, stupid. And Mero was like, yeah, bro.
Yeah. Yo, matter of fact, in 20 years, you're going to see me in Target ads too, stupid. Oh, hold that.
The Target dog.
Yeah.
What do you need a Target dog for?
What kind of dog is that?
It's like it's a terrier. It's like a Stafford Terrier, I believe.
I'm like, yo, your fucking face is mad weird. Every time I'm like, get the fuck. Every time I watch the dog show, I'm just mad smack. Like, yo.
Why does Target even advertise?
Why?
Because you go to Target, you be like, yo, I'm going to Target to get one spoon. And you come back and you're like, I had to take out a remortgage because I bought some shit.
Because I wandered into the housewares aisle. Now I'm fucking broke.
I was at Target the other day and I was like, they had a sale on pillows, and I was like, I'm getting all the pillows.
Yo,
never thinking how I'm gonna get them home, how I'm gonna get them in the Uber, how I'm carrying them down the escalator. No. So now I'm on the line with mad pillows. I got like a candle over here, a potted plant, an ottoman that I gotta assemble.
Think I gotta assemble the ottoman in the store, put everything in the ottoman, and just carry the shit.
And then I'm trying to carry it all out. They're like, can I see your receipt? I was like,
yo, you dead ass?
Am I trying to steal ottoman?
Come on, son.
Come on, bro.
Yo, how ballsy do you think I am?
Okay, meanwhile, I got a pressure cooker under my shirt. I was like, gotcha.
Nigga, guess who's making bread?
I don't even seal it. I just get outside, I drop it. I'm like, you fucked up. Ha suckers. Target man, out.
Yeah. Mel's on a basketball team.
That's when the blessings come in. Blessings come in.
Melo should have been on the Knicks, but you know what? You know what? It's all right.
It's okay.
It's right. He's on the Portland Trail Blazers.
You know what I'm saying?
Should be good.
Appropriate name for him. You know what I'm saying?
Can't wait to see him out there just shooting.
Woo.
Just ISO Melo.
ISO Melo pulling up for three.
I can't wait for those plays where he's like, oh, you pass it?
What?
You thought?
I can't just wait. My favorite Melo move. You know how people would be like, yo, this guy's crossover, the Iverson crossover, the motherfucking Shaq's dunks, da-da-da-da. My favorite move ever, and it's not the Melo jab step, it's the Melo wave off. Like, yo, y'all niggas get the fuck out of here.
I got this. Because the beauty of the Melo wave off is like, it works like 30% of the time. How many times as a Knick, it's like the fourth quarter, the Knicks need that shot.
You see the wave off.
You see the wave off. You're like, we got this. And Melo shoots it. It's like, oh, so close.
Ah, you hate to see it.
You think if Melo was on the Knicks right now, they'd be better or worse?
They'd definitely be more fun to watch.
Yeah.
For sure.
They're pretty fun to watch now, but yeah. Also because Melo would have like those where he doesn't get like a foul called against him, he gets mad frustrated. Yeah, or like when he just holds on to the ball, it's just shaking his head like, oh.
He would be teaching all the young niggas like mad
disrespect shit to do. Refs.
Yo, listen, when the refs, you can say this and this and that, and you won't get fined.
Also, if he was Mike, when the mic was on, you always hear him cursing and shit.
Yo, he's like, shit. Yeah, every time get the fuck out of here.
Fuck out of here. Get the ball, motherfucker. I'm like, okay, all right, you want to calm down, Melo? You want to calm down?
That's where I used to go. Like, I'm just like, yo, any motherfucker that's just cursing all up and down the court, not giving a fuck, heaving 50-foot three-pointers with 23 seconds left on the shot clock.
Melo plays basketball the way I live my life.
Hell yeah.
Live Moss.
By the seat of your pants. Yeah, that's right. Live
Moss with mad hats. Oh, so is he going to come to the Garden? Yeah, you got to come to the Garden, right?
Yeah, eventually.
He's going to get standing ovation.
When do the let's see.
He's gonna get a better reception than
do the Portland
Chris Stapps got
Trailblazers
last night because they
play
booed the
the
shit out of him.
Hell yeah.
It was beautiful.
No, I said the Knicks. When do the Blazers play the Knicks?
December 10th,
Oh shit!
and then they're coming to New York on the 1st.
Yeah,
New Year's. Wow.
They got to do another Melo tribute.
You gotta be you gotta have your life together if you go to a basketball game the day after New Year's Eve. Shit, you be dehydrated.
Like yo, or you're like just mad Christian and like you went to bed at like right after the ball drop. Like yo,
Yeah, you went to bed at like 7. Do you do that thing where you lie to your kids and like tell them the ball dropped at like 9 and put them in bed?
Nah, just let them wild out. Cause then the next day they sleep. So then I'm like, yo, while hungover, this works in my favor.
Gotcha.
You just sleep until like at least noon.
Damn, I used to throw New Year's parties. What the fuck, bro? That's so much work.
That is a lot of work. It is a ton of work. But
People enjoy it though. Someone has to do it, right?
Yeah, somebody has to do it. Realistically, all you need for a New Year's party is to go to like get a case of some booze and like get some finger food. And
Yeah,
be
you
good.
need a little more than that. You need like decorations and a clean bathroom and extra toilet paper, hand towels, little blankets in case people get sick.
A Von bucket.
Oh, okay, we're throwing 2 different parties. Okay, I try to throw a classy upscale New Year's party, and you're throwing a fucking Dominican Bronx baby shower.
I'm like, yo, if you gotta throw up, just throw them out the window.
He's talking to the baby, so hold that baby while he throws up.
Somebody suck that baby's dick! Somebody suck that baby's dick!
Oh,
I said, if New Year's at the Mero crib.
just
It's a lot of baby fellatio. Yes, please.
yes. Time Magazine's like, yes, a lot of baby fellatio.
Next 100, baby fellatio.
Baby fellatio. That sounds like the worst Raffi song ever.
Baby fellatio.
Underneath the deep blue sea. Baby fellatio. Don't you want to swim with me? Hey, yeah, right, guy. Hands against the wall. Hands against the wall. That sounds like a Disney Plus movie they only made in Italy. Hey, this is my son. This is baby fellatio.
Baby fellatio.
Fellatio, stay out the street.
Stop.
Oh, no. Oh, car hit him. Now he's flaccid.
Oh, my
no.
God.
Oh, no.
That's baby fellatio and his friend Slurpee.
It's Fellatio and his brother Giuseppe. Oh. Fellatio, I'm dying. I want to leave you all of this Olive Garden. Again, we know nothing of Italy.
Yeah, sorry.
No.
Well, book us out there. Bodega Boys.
Nah, I don't want to go to Italy.
Live from Milan.
I don't want to go to Italy. It's too far away.
It's too far away.
I'm only touring in like places accessible by bus.
You want some mad and shit?
Yeah.
Some mad and shit?
Just makes it difficult now. Now I'm not flying. I'm not flying.
I'm
no
not
more.
flying no more.
They're gonna be
I
like,
need a bus.
see me like, we're gonna fucking jet. You were gonna. Who's gonna put me on a wild coach bus?
Like, sort of coming out there like, Dano, you're getting on that fucking plane.
I'm not getting on the plane.
You're getting on the fucking plane.
Gotta take a megabus.
If I gotta take you by fucking self.
I gotta get on a megabus for 60 hours to go somewhere. I'm like, this is bullshit.
I land, I'm like, yo, you here? You're like,
like,
yo,
nah.
I'm in Montana, nigga.
Yo, I'll be there on Monday.
Yo, we got 4 more rest stops, yo. Yo, some dude got decapitated on this shit.
Yo, we still
shit.
move. We still move.
Fuck.
I only say that because now I got an empty seat next to me.
Yo.
So we got the decapitated. Don't stop the bus. We make a good time.
Yo, we go. We got a head start. Ha ha.
You got a trail wind. Oh.
Yeah.
Megabuses.
Megabuses, dog. Yo, listen.
That's a moment.
You got good pussy if you got a motherfucker get on a megabus.
Actually, you don't. You don't. You just got pussy.
You
You just got pussy. Megabus is like what? Like $40? Like,
pussy's man.
please don't let Megabus be the way you value your pussy, women. You're worth much more than that.
So much more.
Okay? Zoro Neale Hurston was never like, yo,
Yo.
these niggas come and get this Megabus pussy or nah. She was writing
Come on.
on the Megabus.
Yo.
Megabus pussy.
Yo.
Wow.
Is that the Reggie of is that Reggie from Church? What's the most you would do?
What's the most
You would do for some joke, like travel wise?
Call me
What is
Meatloaf, because you know what I'm saying. I'll do anything but that. Travel wise, where am I traveling to? What is this?
Like yo, if like
This ain't Bridget Jones' diary. I'm not going to England to have a torrid love affair.
Yo, Meghan Markle jumps in your DMs like, yo, Jesus, fuck this nigga.
I'm telling her husband.
You snitching?
Yes.
Yeah, yo, Harry. Yo.
I'm telling the Daily Mail, I was like, she does exactly what you think she does.
Yo,
it's her black side.
Yo, she's a waste man. She's not a proper princess in it. She's not a royal mate.
Megan, let's be peace, bruv. Wow.
The
furthest I'd fly for pussy? Am I just you gotta set some, so am I just flying out there to smash?
No, you smashing it like you did. Well, okay, so this is the thing. What is your preference? Like, would you prefer to just fly out there and smash, or would you? Is it a thing? Like, yeah, I'm smashing, but we're hanging out and we're smashing. And
the first one is just a fly out. The second one is 90 Day Fiance. There's a difference. You gotta realize that, okay? There's a difference between I'm like, yo, bitch, beat me in Las Vegas versus, hey, ma, I love you. I'm gonna take this boat up to Amazon for 5 days to come live in your hut. Just see me trying to plug in my MacBook, like,
yo, I just plug it in a tree.
Chilla Dad doesn't speak English and there's no AC here. But damn it, we're gonna make it work.
I got a mosquito bite. It killed me.
I have influenza. Hospital? She says, I am dying.
Oh, leave.
No, bitch, I need real medicine. My arm is going limp.
Leave.
Oh, he's so cute.
Leave. I give leave.
See me on the next episode. I was like, I no longer have control of the left side of my body, but you know what? I'm getting to know some of the words, and our relationship is flying by.
Meanwhile, she got like 40-inch weave and shit. She's listening to fucking Cardi B.
Man, she's like, I have something to tell you. I was like, what is it? You can tell me anything. She's like, I have 6 husbands. I was like,
what?
But then I'm like, yeah, it's just something we got to work past.
You just gotta accept it. It's cultural. Accept it. You can't be culturally insensitive.
They're like, what culture is she? It's like, she's from the Bronx. That Amazon River was just the Bronx River. Like,
yeah, gassed him up the whole way. Like, yo, he's like, well, if this is Amazon, there's a lot of buses and trains.
Okay. I'm going up the prestigious Amazon. If you look to the right, they say it's some sort of religious relic called Tracy Towers.
Oh, wow. Wow, amazing.
Yeah, they worship there.
Yeah, at the end of the river. That's wild. We got to the end of the river, and there was this amazing structure called River Park Towers.
Yeah, they do virgin sacrifices.
Yeah.
There. Yeah.
They throw... She told me that weekly they go up there and they throw a refrigerator off the roof. Wow. It's amazing. You love it. The things you learn.
90 Day Fiance. We did a new version of 90 Day Fiance. Like,
we should just executive produce our own. Like, cause niggas.
We already got My Son's a Taco. No one show on the daytime.
True,
you know what it is.
That's a layup.
Yeah,
we could just like drop that and go.
You can go.
You know what I'm saying?
Who would be the parents on
My Son's a Taco.
The guy from A Star Is Born and Cardi B are the parents.
Bang.
There we go. And the Taco is played by actual Taco.
Layup.
Yeah, but he's wearing a taco suit.
Exactly, the whole time.
Yeah.
He's just mad, like potty mouth and shit. Yeah.
And he's like, Mom, look what's growing down there. And she's like, oh my God, that's your lettuce.
Oh no.
You're growing your lettuce.
You're growing your lettuce.
Oh, you're becoming a little taco man.
And he comes out of the bathroom. He's like, Dad, can you come in here?
What is it, son?
I touched my diced tomato and some sour. I think the sour cream came
That's just natural. You see, when a taco loves another taco, well, someone high is gonna eat them. Everyone's like, this show is so fucking confusing.
Like, what the fuck is going on?
Do they eat tacos?
Are they cannibals?
The son's a taco, but they're having tacos for dinner.
Why? How?
How did Blake Shelton have a taco?
What does George Lopez have to do with any of this?
Taco Tuesday. LeBron plays a wild kidnapper who's always trying to kidnap the son. He's like sleeping. He's like, Taco Tuesday.
He's like, Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday.
Hey, nigga puts on a fake mustache. She comes down. She's like,
hey, little taco.
Hey, little taco.
You want to get in my van? The van says like free sour cream outside. My mama said not to talk to people.
Yeah, stranger danger.
Get over here, little taco.
Come here, little motherfucker.
Little taco, look at you.
Fuck, crack your shell, nigga.
Get over here. Get over here. You little, yeah, that's how I like little soft shells. Yeah, get over here.
Come here.
Yeah.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
put that little weird guacamole,
Yeah.
green shit
Little
on
hot
top.
sauce on it. Yeah.
Little fire sauce. Yo, you burnt me. No.
That sounds more STD related than taco. That yo, you burn me.
Yo, baby taco.
That's when you just gotta laugh and be like, well, guess what? We both got burned.
Stupid.
How you feel?
Take a pill.
Yeah, you be alright. Shit was mid anyway. We didn't get on the megabus for that.
Yo, oh god,
Nigga, you burned me. I was like, actually, I saw you eating clam strips from White Castle.
so
Maybe
you
start
burn
with
yourself.
that. Nasty.
Stupid.
Clam strips are made from Ursula.
That's true.
It's just, it's true.
That's a pure fact. You know what I'm saying? Victor ain't even here, but to verify that, but he knows.
We don't even verify facts on this show anymore.
don't
We
need
just
to.
be saying shit.
If you say it, it's gospel.
Yeah, gospel.
Gospel, 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 gospel. Have you listened to the Kanye album anymore?
I never listened to it in the first place. What the fuck, bro? Like, why would I listen to a gospel album?
I'm like, yo, first of all, I'm not listening to a gospel album just because like I'm not into gospel.
Step one.
Step one.
Step
Step two.
have we ever been chilling on the block and nigga be like, yo, my nigga, dead ass right now. I want to hear about Jesus.
Yo, my
But
nigga,
no.
yo, son. Throw on that new Kirk Franklin, my nigga. That shit slap.
But to be fair, we're going to hell, so you know.
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
What was that one? There's a group that had like some like
DC Talk. There was one group.
it was like a female duo.
Mary.
Yes.
Put the shackles off my feet so I can praise him.
Yeah. I'm like, yo, they make. I'm like, yeah. How do you make
but if
God
you
music
listen-
that kind of slaps?
Their God music in the beginning was like very Christian clean, but towards the end it was getting a little
Ratchet.
They were just like, yo, let me suck you off in the tabernacle. I was like, yo,
whoa,
ma'am,
oh shit,
man. First of all, this is a synagogue.
yo,
but
let me confess the sins of my butthole.
they had a song called like "Put Me on Your Cross, Daddy." I was like, whoa,
okay,
easy,
shit, goddamn.
It was like, eat this, my unleavened bread.
Yo,
I was like, yo,
whoa,
y'all niggas is nasty.
Whoa. That's some freaking nasty.
Pour the blood into your mouth and spit it back in mine.
I'll turn it into wine.
Freaky shit.
Freaking nasty. What song is that?
Yeah, you gotta
Shorty get freaky nasty.
Oh, that's that famous song, Shorty Getting Freaky Nasty. Written by the kid Mero in his mind because he's high.
Oh, Tory Lanez. Okay,
Tory Lanez.
yeah. Oh, yeah. So every song that sounds like Tory Lanez is notorious for making joints that sound like, yo, who is that nigga?
Yeah.
Is that guy?
Well,
and then you're like, no, it's not him. It's Tory Lanez.
Tory Lanez, his first album was really good, but he had too many skits on it. And it was that weird thing where some record exec was like, people are going to skip the skips. People are going to skip the skits if you make them separate tracks.
So blend them into the fucking
they were,
song.
like,
I
in
hate
the
that
intro
so much.
and at the outro, so you would never listen to it. Because even if you like the song, at the end you have to hear like him walking to his car in the rain and talking about, I'll show Toronto. I'm like, look at that.
Like, bro, stop, bro, stop.
Now I got to open Cool Edit Pro
Stop.
and edit the MP3
And
myself.
trim this shit. You making trim MP3s?
Nigga, I'm a barber. I'm trimming MP3s now.
Fuck.
Get out of here. Actually, there's a mode on iTunes where you can like tell it just play up to this part of the MP3 and it stops.
Nice.
What am I? The Genius Bar? I got to do all this now?
I'm not doing all
for
that.
Tory Lanez?
Yeah,
Come on, bro.
The worst part is when you do that crossfade shit.
Yeah.
And then like you just hear two skits crossfading into each
You're
other.
like,
You're like, what the fuck is this?
Yeah.
Am I at Grand Central? What the fuck is? I'm just hearing everybody's conversation.
Wow.
Goddamn.
Good times. Are MP3s dead now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Apple's funny because like Apple will be like, yo, you'll want an MP3 and they'll be like, MP3 is not available till tonight, but if you want Apple Music, it's available right now. And I'm like, I don't want Apple Music.
I want MP3.
I want to own the MP3, bro.
Yeah.
I'm an MP3 hoarder.
I'll be sad because I'm like, yo, even if this shit is stored digitally and you back it up,
Back it up.
but can you potentially still lose it? Because I was thinking the other day, I was like, yo, I had mad photo albums of like graffiti that I did, and I was like, I never scanned it, I never like put it like backed it up digitally, and the shit just got destroyed because it was in the garage and it got wet,
Right.
it got fucked up, and I was just like, damn, dog, that's mad like years and years and years
Yeah.
of work.
Think about it like this. There are albums and songs you have heard that you are never gonna hear again because they no longer exist. Because they probably existed on like GeoCities or SoundCloud, or maybe it was like a mixtape you illegally downloaded to your iPod.
Dog.
Your iPod that is now where? Dead. And you weren't able to get the song off of it. Think about like freestyles from like Lloyd Banks and shit, or from on the radio.
That's literally what I was about to say. There's a Core Mega freestyle. There's like one of those like Jackin' for Beats freestyle. And it starts over like Mass Appeal, Who Shot Ya, all these like fire beats.
That one's still available, but yeah, I know what
you know what I'm saying. That shit was on my MySpace page, dog.
Wow.
I had to use coding.
This nigga's old. Also, I like how people on Instagram were like, "You guys are old." I was like, yeah, we're old and successful. Sorry.
So yeah, that's what happens.
What do you want us to be dead?
Yeah.
Like,
listen, after you come out of your mama's chachu, okay, you grow up, you eat food, and you grow, and then you age. And as the years go by, it's called growing up. I know it's a foreign concept to you, like little 19-year-old person.
It's kind of funny because they're like, "You're old," and I was like, "You guys are fuced." Like, nigga, I know. I used to play with trees. Like, I'm not gonna know what that was.
You don't even know what a tree is.
Nigga, you're gonna have to go to war for water. It's gonna suck.
Like, yo, you niggas gonna be paying an air bill.
Wow,
stupid.
Living in like fucking living in hovercrafts over old New York. When they build a thick iron gate around the Bronx to keep y'all all in there.
I remember when motherfuckers made up the water bill and everybody in New York was outraged.
Made up the water bill?
I never got charged for water up until a certain point. My mom was like, "Yo, we pay there's a water bill."
Oh yeah.
When did that start?
I don't think it's always been there. Maybe your family was just not paying bills.
Not paying the water bill.
Because this is the first. I feel like the city could just be like one day, like, "Yo, you gotta pay for water." Like,
and niggas would riot.
Yeah. You guys just really paying for your water. Okay, that's
backwater.
Backwater. That's what. If you don't pay your water bill, you should have to get dirty water.
You get that Bundy iced tea. Deep cut.
It's gross. Mero's gross.
Yo,
Mero's a gross man.
That show was wild.
What show?
Married with Children?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah, but it taught you a lot about life, about having a wife that is always horny, but you don't want to fuck her. Working in a shoe store. A daughter that dresses, I don't know where she was coming and going for, but she just delayed the show because she'd have like 2 minutes.
Ow! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! All right! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Yeah!
And it had like one of the first lesbians on TV, but they did not treat her with respect.
Respectfully at all. I was just like, God damn. They were just like, yo, cut her hair short.
Yeah.
And make jokes about how she looks like a man constantly. I was like, yo, wow.
Her husband, Marcy Darcy.
Oh,
TV.
Marcy Darcy.
Remember, TV is a Babylon thing, and one of the worst things you can spend your time doing. It's a Friday show, the number one show on late night. Desus and Mero.
It will
only available on Showtime.
That's right, y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
Mondays and Thursdays.
You know what I'm saying? If you don't watch it, then you are anti-black.
Okay, you can't keep saying that. You can't. You can't keep saying that. Oh, Mero. You can say anti-Dominican. You can't. That's. Ugh. Can't clap to this.
don't erase.
Also, why do you have on a hood bolo?
Oh, yeah, no. Well, what happens is I go into my closet and I just grab whatever's there. Because I'm like, yo, I got to do a podcast and I got to be there in an hour.
What's wild is older Jewish men enjoy bolos. Yeah, so you're on your way.
I'm on your way.
You're on your way to being washed, going to temple in cowboy boots with a big buckle because you had a good time in Austin once.
No. Couldn't be me. I actually tried to listen to country music the other day and I was like, God damn, this shit sucks.
What? I mean, what did you start with?
It was what the fuck was it? Casey something?
Casey Musgraves?
I think so.
You better watch your fucking mouth.
I was gonna say Casey Muskrat, dog, for a second.
Wow,
I was like, yo. I was like,
that respect on that legend.
I was like, that's definitely not her name.
She's a legend and she's an ally. You put some respect on her. Like, do you see when she posted her feet?
Nah.
From it was like a week of touring, and like her feet were dirty and nasty. Like if you're into that, it was like kind of
freaky, nasty.
Sarah D, I'm like, you're nasty. Why would you put your feet up here? Like you're just like begging for someone to like put your toes in their mouth, like just like suck the dirt off of them.
Is there
like,
a picture of it?
I mean, yeah, like yeah.
He's like, yeah, it's one of my favorites.
If this was my other computer, I'd just pull it off the desktop. Yeah.
Oh
right.
shit!
Is this counting as porn? No, this is just feet.
No, it's just
Feet, because Mero's one of Mero's kids wants to be a foot doctor.
Yeah,
a podiatrist.
Podiatrist. There we go. Make sure you get proper arch support.
There you go. Little.
Oh, that's
See?
Yeah.
You look disgusted, but you don't look that disgusted.
Yeah, no. Because as a New Yorker, I've seen many white women wearing flip flops on the subway, and their feet look just like that after like 3 stops.
Yeah, well, flip flops in New York are not a good idea.
They're never a good idea.
My whole thing is like, what if you have to run?
No, you just like flip flop.
Yeah, you can't run a flip flop.
And then you just fall and look mad goofy. You step on the back of the flip flop with the other foot, like
some beans fall out your pocket. This nigga eating beans. Pop beans in the pocket. Remember before all the bean jokes? It was spaghetti. Like everyone was like, spaghetti in my pocket.
Yeah, I got spaghetti. But yo, shout out to, you know what? You could. But Napoleon Dynamite was the originator of that. With the tater tots.
Tater tots in the pocket. I believe the originator of that was Malcolm X, because he was like, "Get your hand out my pocket, Nick." Oh, no, actually, that's not what happened there. We need that stricken from the record.
Shout out to Malcolm.
I don't think you just call him Malcolm. You don't know him like that. You gotta be like Malcolm X.
Shout out to my guy. Shout out to my guy Malcolm. You know what I'm saying? We put in work in right over there, 168, right by the hospital. You feel me?
Okay.
Did our thing.
That's your homeboy? It was you, him, and Bernie Sanders the Blood?
Yeah, we were out there trapping, dog. Shit was wild, man, back in the day.
We got to remake Paid in Full with Bernie Sanders, Martin Luther King, and Malcolm X.
Yes.
Niggas get shot every day.
You're tough. You'll be all right. You Kermit the Frog ass nigga.
Oh, shit.
Ready to feel the burn?
I'd watch the shit out of that movie.
Yo.
Oh, man.
Ready just murking niggas?
Just popping them.
Yo. He's made to get naked and walk off the block, but Nilsy like, yo.
Yeah, I was like, I didn't know Bernie was a G like that.
Yo, son, he's thugged out. Shit. He's in the car with Biden like, yo, you mad ass. Biden's like, yo, man, it's not the same no more, man.
I'm breathing different.
This shit's different, man.
The Amtrak feels different.
Come on, man, shit's different, man.
Oh, Bernie. Oh, Bernie and Biden. Bernie and Biden. Using too many napkins. Napkins and packaging.
Slap in the back.
Right in the back.
I got to slap in the back and smack in the back.
Well.
Eminem's new thing now, I think his flow is just like, yo, I'm gonna rhyme like Big Pun at like a quarter speed. That's his thing. Like, I'm gonna just do spoken word, terrible puns.
Do you think this podcast needs more Eminem slander? Maybe we should just chill. So do we do? It's one of our 4 elements.
4 elements are involved.
Eminem slander, Pino, the Knicks, and the Yankees. Here you go. Pick your poison.
Pick your poison, asshole.
Pick your poison.
Yeah, would enjoy.
Like Pusha T said, pick your poison. I think I paid for win too many abortions. And I was like, shit.
Whoa.
God damn, nigga.
Go.
I was like, oh, you living a different life.
Ooh.
That's like, you can't say that to your girl.
Ugh.
That's a lyric that when you're singing, you gotta just lower your voice. You're like,
yo, pick your poison.
What'd you say? Pay for what?
Extortion.
You pay for abortion?
No. It was like I survived being extortion.
How's that work? Did you just like Cash App or?
Back in the day, it was just straight cash. It was just my hand to hand.
Damn, you paying cash for an abortion? Damn, you a street nigga for real.
I paid cash for a couple of ABs.
How you come with a knot?
Like, yo, Mike.
Like, yo, peel the shit up. You know what?
There you go.
You did a good job. Here's keep that.
Yo, after you come out, get something to eat.
The way you're talking, it sounds like you're not going to be there. Wow.
I'm dropping you off. I'll be back. I'm gonna make some moves. I'm gonna pick up
Yo, your Uber's outside. I got you. Let me know when you're going to go home.
Yo, Mama Dude's pulling up in 5 minutes. Wait outside. Don't be stupid.
This nigga sent me to the abortion clinic in Uber pool? You got 5 minutes. Hurry up.
Yo, fuck
they
up.
might leave. Don't fuck up my rating.
Yo, listen. And make sure you give the nigga a diamond for excellent service.
Oh, Jesus. Why we laugh? This is someone's reality. So.
Yo. But for me, this is what I call life.
Ow. Little City High.
You know what I'm saying?
City High. What was it?
City High always creeps his way into our shit. How? Why?
It was a song about like just someone couldn't feed their kid. Like, why are we singing this in the club? Why do we even know? Why did they make a music video? I remember in the music video, like the girl was the girl, but she was also the girl for City High.
Yes. So it's back confusing.
Even the hook, even though on the hook, she sounds like she's mad at you for singing it. She's like, "This is what I call life, nigga."
Stupid. I'm like, damn. I was like, how are your vocal runs aggressive? Like, that shit was.
Because my baby at home.
Okay.
He crying on the floor.
Yeah, I know. He's hungry.
Also, he's crying on the floor. She got no furniture.
Okay.
Baby just on a little wood, on one of the wood platters.
I just have a question. If you're sleeping with a man for a little bit of money, if there's no furniture, where are you doing this?
I got hungry.
Also, is your child on the floor still while you're sleeping with a man for a little bit of money?
Well,
because his daddy's gone.
Only that much space on the airbed. Okay. I feel like the problem there, just ask the man you're sleeping with for more than a little bit of money. Be like, nigga.
Yeah, can you give me a decent sum of money?
Can I get a living wage? Also, and I don't want to be this guy, perhaps the box is mid.
Could be.
How? I mean, listen. If you coming over to someone's house to blow up their back, they got no furniture and their kids sleeping on the floor. I mean, it's not gonna stop you, but you're gonna judge.
Yeah,
you know.
Yeah,
you're gonna keep your shoes on.
You're like, yo, ma.
Probably put your Metro card in your sock.
I know that DIY is cool and everything like that, but why is it TV on a milk crate? Like,
because that's where I keep my records. You're like, oh, Jesus.
Oh, man. Okay. All right. But there's no records in it.
You ever made Love the Company Flow?
Oh, no.
You're like, oh, you in the hip hop?
Oh, shit. I'm about to crush that uterus, man.
Fun Crusher Plus.
Yeah.
But then that's not fair because we're shitting on women for not having furniture and stuff. And
you don't need furniture.
As a guy, I have a nice apartment. I have like no furniture. I really be sitting on like boxes of sneakers and shit.
Boxes of sneakers?
People come over to my house, they're like, do you live like this? I was like, yes, I live like this.
Why do niggas not care about furniture?
The fuck am I doing? I got a couch. That's all I need. Literally, I don't need a dining table. I don't need anything else. I got a couch.
Am I a weirdo? I'm like obsessed with furniture.
Yes, you are.
I was like, I need furniture. I need symmetry.
Let's remind you 3 things you talked about today. A shortcut to get home to Jersey faster.
Yeah.
What else? What other
wash thing?
What other wash thing did you mention?
Fuck.
Well, but also now the furniture. So you've hit the wash trifecta.
I love
be
furniture.
at Siemens and shit sitting on the couch.
No, Siemens.
Oh, excuse me, California Closets or some shit.
No, sir, Restoration Hardware, sir.
See, I don't buy furniture. I don't know what that means. I don't. For all I know, that could be like the Jimmy Jazz of furniture.
Listen, solid wood.
Hey yo,
we don't do particle board. You know what I'm saying?
That's not a flex.
We don't do pressed wood.
That's literally not a flex.
You know what I'm saying?
That's like every furniture store, dog.
We do solid wood, large pieces.
I just remember when you tried to tell John Legend that he should shop at Restoration Hardware, and he was like, "I have a furniture designer in Italy for my houses." I was like, "God damn, John, you didn't have to do all that."
I was like, "Nigga,"
he said his houses. I was like,
"Sir."
I was like, "Oh wow."
I was like, "You know what?"
Shout out to John Legend. He is the
sexiest man alive.
Sexiest man alive. On the cover of People Magazine. We're also in there.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Is John Legend the sexiest man alive?
I don't know. He's
got a good heart.
He's a
good father.
He's very kind.
Yeah.
This sounds like we're trying to slate, like we're trying to like diss his appearance, but we're not.
We fuck with him. We fuck with him.
He's saying some fellow.
Also, you know he be spitting in Chrissy Teigen's butt.
Yeah.
You know they be having that nasty sex.
Yeah.
That good. We're both young, pretty, and rich. They be having that wild, like They be having that HGTV sex.
I'm hitting he's hitting vocal runs while he's eating the butt.
He's hitting the paella.
Yeah.
I don't even know what that means.
He's like,
John, choke me.
Yeah, girl.
Throwing her back out while she's eating pizza. Like, I love this.
She's eating chips and shit. Like, I'm wacky.
Shout out to John and Chrissy. Please don't sue us.
No, please. No, we love you.
Actually, you can sue us. We got nothing, baby. Your lawyer's going to be like, I have more money than them combined.
So what do you want to do?
Yeah.
It's actually, if you take them to trial, you're going to lose money. So might as well just let it fly.
I'd just be happy to be at trial. I'll be like, oh shit, we getting food? No?
Nah.
There's no craft.
What? At all?
Before I get on the mic, before I get on the stand, I'll be like, I'm not mic'd.
I'm not mic'd. Am I supposed to be?
What's that? Do we have a type 5? I'm like, yo,
What's up? Listen,
can we re-ask that question? Because there was like a car passing by and I didn't hear it, and I know it's going to mess up the post-production.
Yeah, also, I got a hard out at 3:30. My kid has basketball practice, so...
Excuse me, Your Honor. Do you hear the shirt swishing? Is it swishing? Is it good?
It's good.
Check. 1, 2, 1, 2.
Check. How about now?
We good? You know what? I'm going to go back to wardrobe. Okay, apparently I'm being cuffed.
Oh. You're the bailiff, not wardrobe. Okay, my fault.
Just go to the bailiff like, can I get a BLT, a coffee, and...
Nigga, shut the fuck up, put your hands behind your back, nigga. You going to jail, nigga. BLT means something different over there.
Okay, somebody woke up on the wrong side of the bed. I'll go talk to one of the other PAs.
No. It's just me. I'm the key grip, nigga.
I remember when, shout out to the homie, when he was going to jail, and he knew he was going to jail, so it was like just a matter of sentencing. And he went to jail, and he had a bacon, egg, and cheese that he was eating in the court, and the court officer was like, put that away. And he was like, what? Nigga, I'm literally going to jail today. What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
And the court officer was just still yelling at him, but everyone's like, yo, fam, you're not scaring anybody. Like, the nigga going to court, nigga going to jail for like 8 years.
Fam, I'm going
Let him
to
eat
jail.
his bacon, egg, and cheese.
Like, I'm going to jail right now. After this bacon and cheese, my next stop is jail.
Yeah.
So I'm not gonna stop.
That's strong, though. You come into jail, and the first thing you do is light up the dorm with the wild stinky doodle.
Hell yeah.
That's a move right there, bro.
That's a power move.
It's a power move. Did you see you saw the inmate who got the Popeyes chicken sandwich? And he put it on TikTok?
What?
Because he wanted to test it, because he said he wanted to see what all the fuss was about.
Who is this boss?
Respect that man right there.
Yo, who's that, Big Meech?
No, it's just a regular guy in an orange jumpsuit.
This is a regular nigga?
It's a regular chicken sandwich eating motherfucker.
Shit.
So that's our new program now. We're going to deliver chicken sandwiches to inmates.
That's right.
It's called
Chicken Mates.
Chicken Mates? It's called
Little Susie's.
Little Susie's? No. Yo, it's called instead of Postmates, it's called Pinot Mates. No,
not Pinot Mates. Not Pinot Mates. Not Pinot Mates.
You gotta make the branding very clear, because two possible things could happen there. It's called
Panini Mates.
No. We're not selling paninis.
Yeah, that's true. Damn.
I see someone's like carrying their half of this.
Oh man.
It's called.
Well, I mean, you know, we're doing a podcast. Our podcast is so dynamic. That's why since the inception, I've said this is not a podcast. This is art. There's so much going on here. There's art. There's free.
You
consciousness.
didn't come up with the it's art thing.
You know what I'm saying?
You didn't come up with that. Azealia Banks did when she blessed us.
I don't think.
She did. Remember, she was like, "I love that podcast. Their art." La da dee da dee da dee. La da dee wow. I was on 2 and 2, walking on the Harlem 2 and 2. She gonna put a hex on us now.
Yeah, she is. Sorry, but yo,
when everyone else has done it.
Get in line.
Ask me how many apartments I walked into where a girl was scratching my name into an orange and a white candle, and I was like, good luck, because I fucks with the devil.
Keep trying, stupid.
They'd be like, haunt him, and then Satan be like, whoa, tell her, that's the homie.
That's my guy.
That's the what?
What are you doing?
That's my shit. Then he texts me like, yo, good looks on the Time magazine shit. Still got that eternal torment waiting for you, but shit's gonna be lit.
Yo, it's about to be lit. Yo, bring that pin down, nigga. Yo, she was fire. You know what I'm saying? We got pins.
All hell is gonna be is just regular life. But I'll be like, oh, this is all right.
It's not
all right.
bad. It's
Yeah.
like regular life, except it's like a little more hot.
No, but when we go to Foot Locker, instead of the double sole Timbs, all they have is a single sole.
Oh, they have the budget. Oh,
And then we got to walk. Everyone else has the double sole, but you have to walk around for eternity in single toe Timbs.
Oh, and he's like, yo, look at this fucking cop.
I'm not a cop.
This fucking cop.
I'm not a cop.
This fucking cop.
I'm not a cop.
You a cop.
I'm not a cop.
Look the fuck up, fucking Kamala. Fuck up.
Girl, lock him up. I'd watch a show where a New York Undercover reboot where Kamala was our chief.
Yo, that'd be lit.
And she was like always yelling at us.
And she was just like, they would start like every shot would pan down from the Timbs up. Mm-hmm. She'd just stomp her foot like, yo,
y'all dead ass.
Are y'all dead ass?
Y'all dead ass. You been 212ing on the suspect all day.
God damn it.
God damn it.
Y'all over here busting y'all guns for no reason. You making it hot over here.
And the radio's like, suspects found at Bay Plaza. Suspects found at Bay Plaza.
Yo, we gotta go.
Let's go. Let's go. They're like, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm calling the Uber.
I'm calling Uber, nigga. What the fuck you mean?
Uber cops.
Uber cops. We're just waiting like, yo.
Wait 5 minutes.
Fuck. Watching that police scanner on Twitter, like, yo.
It's coming soon. Coming soon.
Oh, shit. Yo, BRT.
I like when the Uber driver gets to your house and then like texts you through the Uber system and be like, where are you? And I'm like, nigga, you're in a car. I'm going to come down to you. Relax.
First of all,
why would I just order Uber and then not show up?
What kind of sense does that make? Also, fam, I'm sharing my location with you live.
You a hot boy.
That little blue dye is me. Stupid.
I don't do that.
I'm on 59th and Lexington.
I'd like to turn off my location and sneak up on them and not come up on the driver's side. Like, they're like, driver, What's wrong? Give all the money, old man. Now I'm just playing with you. How you doing? Hey, I'm Desus. Hey, how you doing? No more show late night.
All right, put my headphones on. Don't talk to me.
Don't talk to me.
Bye. Wake me up when I get there.
I remember the other day I got really mad at the Uber driver because I had my AirPods on and he was like trying to get my attention. I was like, oh, God, what do you want, Vladimir? What? And he just wanted to know if I want to take the bridge or the tunnel. And then it's that thing because it's like I want to be like, which one's cheaper? But it's also I'm in a hurry.
It's like, what do you think, dog? You're the driver.
But then you ask the driver and it comes to this whole existential crisis. He's like, well, what do you value, time or money? Because you can get more money. You cannot get more time, my friend. The time that you save by taking the bridge, you can spend with a loved one or a child. But the money could buy you dreams and such. I'm like, nigga, take the Bronx River Parkway.
What the fuck's wrong with you, man?
Fuck out of here, Freud. Like, what is this shit?
Nigga, look at Google Maps.
Got me thinking about my life now.
It just says 15 minutes on Google Maps, stupid. I've been in the car 40 minutes.
Do you know that life is just the ultimate Uber ride?
Oh, man. Listen, man. Yo, can I just get out here?
No.
Why?
I cannot answer that question. You are the only one who can get out here because you control.
Oh my!
You are your own Uber driver.
This fucking guy. Yo, my man. I got in the Uber at 42nd. I'm trying to get to 59th. How I've been in the car for 2 hours?
Well, a lot of people don't realize 42nd is time square, so time has been squared. You've never been.
Shut up, my nigga, shut up.
Pull the fuck over.
Still gotta give me 5 stars. I love when the Uber driver asks you for 5 stars. I was like, nigga, you ain't stabbed me. So
excellent philosophical conversation.
Oh, when I want to be a dick, I always add excellent conversation. That's like a flag. That's like, yo, don't get in this car.
Stop.
But you don't find out until you already got the driver. You should be able to be like, yo, I would like this ride. A driver, and they're like, how much conversation do you want? Whatever. But then Uber's like, nigga, you getting the closest fucking driver. Okay? Take Chad. His car smells like throw up. You can't do nothing about it.
There's a guy who, when I take the Uber to the mall, it's the same guy 7 times out of 10.
Jesus.
And it is an old white dad in a Buick LeSabre.
Why don't you just hire him?
Because he's like, I have a job. He's like, I just do this on weekends.
Yeah, so tell him don't do it on the weekends and just drive you.
In a Buick LeSabre?
Oh, I'm sorry, Meghan Markle. You can't be in a Buick LeSabre. I don't even know what that car is.
This shit is, nigga, Google it.
I don't care that much.
It's not.
It's not a flex.
It's not anything that you would want to hop out of.
Fam, I hop out of Toyota Camrys like 4 times a day.
Yeah, me too. But it's like it's different. If you're like, yo, this is my driver.
This is the car you're hopping out to the mall at, a Buick LeSabre.
Build the Sabre. And don't put 2020 neither. Nigga. Put like 2005.
That's a 2005 Buick LeSabre came up. Like, fam, it's a cool. Is he in the mob?
No, but he's annoying because he always wants to talk about the Giants, like at length. And when you coming in and you hit some traffic and you're in like half an hour, no. And he's like borderline, like I don't know, like I'm trying to get his temperature. Like I don't know if he's like. He's not clearly MAGA. Mm-hmm. You know what I'm saying? But it's just
I know those guys.
You know what I'm saying?
They're not. Like, they're MAGA. They're just not wearing a hat.
You know what I'm saying? It's like,
and they just kind of like
they're trying to feel you out. Yeah, they're like, "Where's this guy?" Yeah. What do you think? Hey, what do you think of? Let me ask you a question. You're Puerto Rican.
They're like, I'm not.
I'm not. Well, same thing. What do you think about this? AOC broad.
Yeah, she's cool.
All right.
Or like they're driving, they're like, all these traffic laws. Next thing I'm trying to do Sharia law. You're like, what? Excuse me?
What?
Excuse me? You know?
Take me to fucking Parking Garage D. I'm never come and pick me up again.
You can't be outraged and still go to Parking Garage D. If you're outraged, like, let me out here and not take me to the upper deck. Drop me off by the sharper image. Wait 20 minutes. I'll be back. I'm returning something. You come back like, I forgot the receipt, so I gotta go back to my house.
Have you ever gave an Uber driver like a terrible rating on purpose? Because they were terrible, or just to be petty.
I'll be honest with you. I've never had an Uber. All my Uber experiences have always been better than my taxi cab experiences.
True.
So I have no beef with Uber drivers. Because Uber drivers, they get in and they're respectful. And they're like, even if they don't like you, they still take you where you got to go.
Yeah.
Cab drivers be the wild dickheads. The Bronx is closed. Like, no, it's not.
No, it's not. It's not a
sundown town, my guy.
It's part of New York City.
Oh.
It's actually open right now.
Then you got to start doing tricky shit and be like, I'm on to Riverdale. Okay, you want me to get an exit 12 or 13? I was like, just keep driving straight.
Yeah.
Sorry, I meant Riverdale Edenwald. Let's go. Take me to the projects. Take me to the loop. Take me to the loop. Take the child locks off the door because I'm about to run out this bitch.
Bro, I told the dude that picked me up by like St. Mark's that I was going to the Bronx because I was going to 170th Street to pick up Bud. And I was just like, yo, I'm going to 170th and Elliott. He's like, no. Nigga just said no. Nigga said no and peeled off with the door open.
Yep.
Like, yo, I was like, yo, fam. I was like, what's the worst that can happen?
The worst, they drive you all the way up there, they get murdered or robbed. It's not.
I mean, shit happens.
Listen, like Bernie says.
Yeah. Niggas get shot every day. You're tough, right? You got a medallion, right? Huh? You be alright. Your fucking medallion's bulletproof, isn't it? It's me, Bernie Bundles.
Yo, it's been episode 179.
Yeah.
Did we get through this whole episode without doing Pinot Talk? No, we didn't, because we did do Pinot Talk. The thing is, Pinot Talk to us is not Pinot Talk to other people. That's why we couldn't be censors. Because the stuff that offends us is not. The stuff that offends other people does not offend us. So,
but you know what?
God's working on all of us. And
we got through an entire episode.
Look at us. Hey, look at us. Look at us. Huh? Who would have thought?
Another one.
Not me.
Yeah, another one. And we get to do episode 180 next week, which we're actually doing live at East 180th on the 2 and the 5 platform.
Pow.
All right, come through. All right.
All white people going to the Bronx Zoo.
I see a lot of shocked faces on the staff. People didn't realize we're going to be doing a live broadcast. So we'll work out the logistics later. But I don't understand why it should be hard to record a podcast in a train station.
Yeah, it's not like there's trains coming in every 30 seconds.
Yeah.
Like,
or the fact that it's an outdoor train station that's cold as shit.
It's like, you know what I'm saying? Melo is on the Blazers now. He's dropped 30 in his first game. Yo, how we feeling about that, yo? You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? I love,
This is West Farms, East Tremont Avenue.
Oh my God.
The next stop is East 180th Street.
So a lot of stuff happened this week. We just want to talk about that. A lot of stuff happened this week.
Yeah.
And we're just trying to, talk about what's
so
going
it's like
on
a
in the
award
community.
show season's coming up.
Yeah. Who do you think is going to get nominated for best shows?
Yo,
do you watch any of these shows?
Some of them.
Sometimes I feel like
but I feel like the writing has fallen off.
I want to know
in season 3.
You think maybe we can probably get like This Is Us? Because I can't.
Yeah.
If we got This Is Us, they might be the #1 contestants for.
They will. I think they got a very strong chance.
I can't
to win best drama. It's a good ensemble cast.
Listen, Hasan is saying that we can't use
the level. The audio's not good.
I can't even hear you.
Audio's not good.
I can't even hear you.
I'm lip reading.
That's not the only lips I'm reading, Mom. Actually, lip reader sounds like a very problematic Disney Plus movie.
Yeah.
To me and you would think it's something else.
Yeah.
Like, it's a girl that reads Disney movies. She reads lips.
That's it. That's all she does.
Vagina lips. Yo, it's your boy Jesus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like cereal, aka Pocket Stay Fat like. Here we go. The clean version. That's why we're in Time Magazine.
You know what I'm saying?
Here we go. Sober that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rondo. Think of a bird while you eat some bird. Woo. 1994 in Nueva York. Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC looking going to be pulling up from 40. Which is shorty. Ooh. I just don't talk to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. Also, I shouldn't be in the Uber pool. And if I'm in the Uber pool, that means I picked the wrong option when I was picking the Ubers. Now I'm gonna be tight.
Yeah,
tight.
So don't talk to me. Move around, motherfucker.
The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss. These Rossi and the Jamaican Jew. Hey, what? Any holidays coming up?
Apparently, Sukkot.
You just found out about that. I told you office hours. Jesus Christ. Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuni without Coonery, aka Chili Lamone, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Yeah. Gay lo gay. Well, we know it's still sons.
No.
We only steal wives.
That's right, Papi. We still in. We get a haircut. That's it.
G-Phone Joe, G-Tech Machina, J Chuckle, Stanley Cups, Doom Human, Dr. Bonner's label, Dilute. Shout out to Target for selling a 24-pack of Dr. Bonners. I don't think I can use that much in my whole entire life. But
24-pack?
Yeah.
God damn.
That's a lot of Bonners.
Shit.
That's enough to dissolve a human body.
Fam.
Yep.
You could like Breaking Bad melt a nigga in a bathtub with that much Dr. Bonners.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
What I just said.
Fuck.
Leonardo the Trap, yo. It's 240 because I like my Pinot Blurry.
Yeah.
That's right.
Enjoy it.
But we don't talk about it on this podcast. We got a show.
Did we?
Restraint. But
did we just do it?
No, we didn't talk about Pinot.
We didn't.
We haven't talked about Pinot.
We haven't mentioned anybody by name.
We haven't mentioned anyone by name. Mm-hmm. Okay. Mm-hmm. No one said anything about me wanting to stick my face in Victoria Cake's ass.
Nope.
Okay. DJ Woolite, aka listen to Wash FM. Up next, we got some classic hip hop. Hey hop.
Yo.
Y'all know, you don't know what
Yeah. Oh.
This shit sound like hip hop, right?
Yo, hip hop.
Little Scar Magnum.
Yo.
Star of the Empire. This sounds like when you date See, you hear the piano in the background, it's a little jazzy.
Yeah.
Makes you think about life.
If you hear an upright bass in a hip hop instrumental,
that's real hip hop.
Real hip hop.
It's real hip hop. The current gold, these Spice, Jamal Haskell, Bronx Dion.
Yeah.
The Bronx Celine Dion, excuse me. The Ray nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain, or you can be more rich to Ja. Young Aaron, the racer provocateur, Hedwig Buckholz, Nelson Mandela, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Boofen, Demon Word, the melting in your mouth, Mr. Bex on Decadent, Mr. Ricky Tiki Squabby. Greg Popovich, more serious Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, I got that cucumber.
Yeah.
Jesus oppressed, but your boy never is.
God
I am
damn.
the art, damn it. Dundana Ganoush, no more cup of noodles because it gives me too much sodium and now the left side of my body hurts. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova, Casanova. We made cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $10. Forget the small change, give me.
What you want? What you need?
Give me big money wine. We gotta remake this, but make it about Bitcoin. Bits. Half bits.
Yo.
Full bits.
Full bits.
Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. 5 bits. Bitcoin. Mine it. Mine run it. Mine put it. Mine put it. Mine put it. Mine put it.
Give me Bitcoin. Give me Bitcoin. Now do that. Bitcoin.
Cryptocurrency.
The only anthem I salute is set. Mr. Saga, catch me at square one, top left, man. This mom.
Yo, don't cheat me, bro.
Stay away from scars, bro. Chill Reserve, holy cow. Mr. Top Points, all I do is count checks and jerk off. I don't even count checks anymore. So now I just got top off for jerking off. Which isn't as romantic as when I said it the first time. It's not really a flex.
I mean, it still is.
Beyonce almost called me jerking off. We got OJ Purple Stuff Soda, and it's me, Sunny D. Hey. David, man. Hey, you want some jewelry made from reclaimed seawood?
Oh
yeah,
my
got
God.
You. These expensive. These is red. These are bad shit.
Oh, yeah.
Smokeem Noah. Ooh, does he still play? No, I don't think so.
Who?
Yeah, exactly. Andrew Cunanan. AKA Junior Energy God Junior comes down from the chart.
Sit party.
Call me Petco because I got that bitch on freeze. Topic of gossip and Sayasha. Shout out to the 11791
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? Catch me in the choir car playing Chink's drugs off my phone.
That's right. You know what I'm
Darren
saying?
the announcer to say something.
In the choir, drunk as fuck, talking about.
Because I know the conductor because we went to the same school. We played lacrosse together. AKA Grandpa Joe, because you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that gold.
Don't
ticket.
you dare.
It's your man, Dead IDs is more than sheriff.
You know what I'm saying?
Top of that street, easy with a bad breeze. I'm Yeezy, please believe in the black Asian addict will crack your back like an automatic craft medic. Mr. Lamarina, Mesmerina, fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor, the sheep masculine. No Cabela. The Black Zach Morris, the Poor Morris, young KPI for all my marketing people.
Yeah.
Hey, take a second best, put me to your chest. Things on your chest you need to confess. It's me.
Yeah.
Your own personal Jesus. Yeah. AKA your problematic bae. Remember, it's not a secret family if you do not support them financially, physically, or love them. Up next.
Yeah.
We got everyone's favorite Puerto Rican. Close enough.
Yo, it's your boy, the Mero, a.k.a. the Human Doer Rehab, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti, you know what I'm saying? Instead of fuck up on my DMs, I just started getting money, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa, you know what I'm saying? I respect dude, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking Bernese Mountain Dog, and keep it moving, nigga. Ask me if I give a fuck, I do not. You know what I'm saying? I don't, hey, papi, I know fucking man, I know fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? A.k.a. no need to check the guest list, I am motherfucking guest list. I play Cookie Monster and the Sesame Street porn parody. Me Gucci, nom 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 nom. Ha 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 ha. You know what I'm saying? You don't recognize me, stupid?
The Sesame Street porn parody?
Yes. Yes. Yo, shoot this nigga next, man. I'm tired of this shit, man. Motherfuckers try to keep me out the club, bro. I came in last week, you didn't let me in, bro. So fucking play with me. You know I'm the number one show late night. Eat a dick.
Wow.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck out of here. You know what I'm saying? Shit, niggas got me tight. AKA CC Dad Bathia, you know what I'm saying? Hitting them very highly concentrated THC modules, you know what I'm saying?
Highly.
AKA James St. Fatic, I'll ghost on you, shorty, you know what I'm saying? I got clapped, but I don't know who did it. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger Backwoods, you know what I'm saying? Smoke a 3 backwood, then hit you with this fucking 9-iron, nigga. Pow, hold that. Ow. Right in your back 9, you know what I'm saying? AKA get to the shmoney in your smoke. It's your boy Goldman Schmack, you know what I mean? AKA I got all my kids in the Time 100 next also, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm the what? The motherfucking dad of the year, you feel me? AKA Bitch Smack Biombo, AKA Diego Maradona, AKA Dick in your bin Motombo, you don't come in this pussy no more, this pussy belongs to me. Actually, it does not, this belongs to her. Because I respect her agency, therefore I will request full consent before we engage in coitus. Thank you. AKA, you know what I'm saying?
Ally.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? Stan. AKA David Trisdale, nigga. Pow, take that for data. Please don't fire me. You know what I'm saying? The problems are at the top. You know what I'm saying? Has nothing to do with young Fizz. You know what I'm saying? Let my man live. You know what I'm saying?
Smart.
That was me advocating for you, my guy. So, you know what I'm saying? Just not.
Get Steve Mills out of here!
Oh my God, I just had to say it. AKA Paulo Santana's so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car.
Hey, guy. Hi.
What happened? What's up?
You've been blocking this highway for like 2 hours. Are you alright? Are you asleep?
Who's calm?
I was trying to give you Narcan, but the door unlocked.
It's not my car.
All right, well, I called the cops, so they're going to come take care of you.
Oh, shit. Oh, fuck that. No, I'm out of here.
Well, where you going?
I'm going to go home.
Plate.
Hey, no, here, take the keys. It's your smart car now. It belongs to you. It's yours. You can take it. Hey, keep it. It goes really fast and small. AKA the Dominican document daddy, you know what I'm saying? AKA swipe my card again. There's definitely money here. Don't make me embarrass you when the supermarket fucking employees come up here and manager and everybody else. And the regional managers here doing the fucking monthly checkup on y'all niggas, you know what I'm saying? Don't get fired on the spot, you know what I'm saying? Like when they come up here and ask me how the kids is doing, asking for selfies and all of that. You know what I'm saying? Edward, you like your little fucking Popeye's job, Edwin? Huh?
It's cool.
You know what I'm saying?
It's just something I do for money on the side.
It did. Well, son, put the motherfucking shrimp po' boy in the bag and keep him moving, man. Stop fucking playing with me. AKA, Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. Let me black out. I'm so zanny. I put my Chelsea boots on and I'm ready for anything, motherfucker. That's right. You look at the elastic and the ankles, nigga. That gives me mad range of motion to eat Titi's butt.
Eat a butt.
You know what I'm saying? a.k.a. Light Nail Dutchie. Hello, is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes that you're broke as ain't got five. You know what I'm saying? Duet with John Legend coming soon. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Tom Brady. I got my balls more deflated than Bobby Crafts. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Table Shop Boys. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Filter Ass Tyson. I want to explore your cosmos, man, but consensually. Let's make that clear. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Lil Snoozy, first nigga to tap on live. You know what I'm saying? Smoke that gas and fall asleep. Enjoy it. It's content, premium. It's like my OnlyFans, except it's free. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Final Messi MVP of Gelato. A.k.a. Zaniel Bedingfield. I gotta get some sticks.
Get them sticks.
I gotta get some sticks.
Get them sticks,
you know what I'm saying? Oh, yo. A.k.a. Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. Have you ever repaired a child's spine using only parts you got final sale from Radio Shack? Then shut your ignorant mouth, you fool.
Tell him, Ben.
I'm the director of HUD and I will remain so.
Tell him, Ben.
Forever. Even if they impeach this fool, this Jacobian orange peel, I will remain as Secretary of HUD. I'm unstoppable. Nobody can stop me.
All right, relax, Ben.
Okay, I'm sorry. I can't get this trap. I'll open your medicine cabinet. You know who the fuck it is, boy. It's the Zen, man. I'm the last nigga to get off the motherfucking plane. You heard? You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Rico Sabroso. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Baby Newport 2 for 5 niggas got garbage on the way, and those cigarettes are stamped. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. Got your girl butt Nilsy backing up. A.k.a. live from Salvador Suda Restaurant on Castle Hill. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I Wanna Be the One Your TT is Fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. Because the third wheel is mad dangerous, you know what I'm saying? Don't get zapped, nigga. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Listen, mate, I've told you plenty times, innit? There's only 2 rock stars left, mate. It's the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plants ain't sleeping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont. High on PCP, yelling traitor at KP. You know what I'm saying? I'm AKA, I met Mike Francis. I'm never gonna fail. You know what I'm saying? I got you niggas paying $9 for an app. All you do is hear me fart. You know what I'm saying? AKA fuck KD and Kyrie. Them niggas is out of here. We in Portland smoking legal. It's Carmelo Anthony.
For 3.
Bang!
Melo's back.
You know what I'm saying?
Welcome to the God.
You know what I'm saying? AKA if you see me at Target higher than the little old nigga and up, approach me like a motherfucker earth sign mammal dog because I may react radically. You know what I'm saying? You might not like that. And I fight a security guard. I don't care. Jose, round 2 on me. Let's go. Meet me in the parking lot, section 5A. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's Banter the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over and fall asleep in the van. And just leave it up to my man, Mr. Fun Fun.
Mr. Fun Fun.
Take it away. I'll be in the van. Let me know.
Make me the first clown that you've ever seen. Come over here, kids. Come over here. Hey, is that a Nest Home camera? Oh, shit. How long has that thing been on? Oh, shit.
Let's get out of here. AKA, I so fake into your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's Half. Murphy's Oil Soap I found in my garage and expired tonic water. I'm not even trying no more, man. These niggas will take anything. Woo! Pon tu SAP, papi, que llegó la hora. Hasan, tírame la pita, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el hijo de FIFA, coño, la máquina, coño. El rey de la chapi. Dejen su loquera, muévese de ahí. Llegó el más lindo de lunes a domingo. La grasa y la pinta. Chequea, porque aquí tú no llegas. Yo lo doy con todo. Shout out a la casa. You know what I'm saying? Showtime. Shout out Cash App. Como siempre, si tú quieres mandar cuarto digitalmente, es Cash App que sea que estamos usando, no Venmo, que Venmo ni Venmo, ni que PayPal, ni esa vaina. Ey, sácame esa vaina de aquí. Esta es Cash App de este lado, mamagüevo, coño.
Yes, Mama Huevos and Coños.
Yes.
We need you to use Cash App.
That's right.
That's the best way to send money to your fellow Mama Huevos.
That's
and
right.
Coños.
Oye, di que ser, ¿qué es lo que ser?
¿Qué es lo que Cash App?
¿Qué es lo es? O sea, Cash App es lo que está.
Cash App and your local guitar.
Lo más duro.
Maduro.
That's right.
Plantains.
That's
and Cash
right.
App go together.
Díselo.
Diesel jeans.
You know what I'm saying?
Adderall,
That's right.
whiskey. That's how you have fun.
Shout out Hasan y 6, coño, que pone la nota. You know what I'm saying? Shout out la nena de la bodega, Dai Vicky, que está inválida la pobre, pero pronto viene, que tiene más fucking tornillos en el tobillo que Home Depot, coño.
Shout out to our guy Coño that works at Home Depot.
Shout out Desus bueno. Shout out Víctor Hugo, coño, el matatán, el capitán. You know what I'm saying? Con el pelo más lindo del mundo. Me chequé la melena.
He said, shout out Melinda Rogers.
Yo, can I shout out Justin?
Shout out Justin.
Yo, Justin, can you hand me that camera?
Yeah! Let's go! Shout out
time.
Justin,
Shout out to Justin, the homie.
Justin, el papi lindo.
Give it up for Justin, our camera guy.
El más duro,
You know
coño.
what it
El
is.
camarógrafo de todo camarógrafo. El Mayimbe. You know what I'm saying? Y shout out mi presidente Pío.
Shut up, my nigga, shut
You know what I'm
up.
saying? Secretario de Defensa con el cañón sobao. Listo. Y últimamente, shout out a Seaway, coño, que está en la casa con nosotros aquí presente.
Hey.
De lo bien personal full, ya tú sabes qué es lo que es. Pronto libertad, mi hermano Friki. Te voy a mandar 5 pesos para tu honey bun. Me quité, ya. 179, motherfucker.
Shout out to Cash App. Shout out to Milk Studios and the Jamroom. We still out here. Shout out to Showtime. We still out in the bitch Mondays and Thursdays.
Yo, and shout out to Hunter Barnes. If you know, you
Hunter
know.
Barnes in the house. You know,
If you know, you know.
If you know, you know.
El
You know, you know.
matador.
You know what it is. Episode 179, the world's most dangerous podcast. If you listen to this and the headphone jack comes out and your coworkers hear this, you're probably going to get fired. So enjoy
right.
it. See you next week, bum bags.
Peace.